we blocked the Assam Agartala highway. The main reason of our roadblock is that we have two demands. One demand is the creation of a BC for the creation of separate BC for the 13 rural resettlement location. Regarding this, we have submitted a memorandum to the subzonal office, through the subzonal office up to the CEM, TTADC. According to that, the TTADC has taken decision regarding the creation of separate BC, and we submit a memorandum to the Chief Election Commission in the Secretariat. But through subzonal office up to the CM, they took the decision regarding the VC, creation of the VC. We mean that the ADC has already taken proposal, but till today, the state government has pending this issue. We approached to the state government also regarding the creation of VC also, but till today we don't get any result. Because of that, we the 13 rural resettlement location has to block the road. And second point is the allocation of agricultural land. As we know that the BRU agreement has been signed in New Delhi 2020. Tripura government, Mizoram government, central government, and the representative of the BRU. And in the agreement, almost all the point has been fulfilled, and the developmental work has been done in the different location, different resettlement location. But one thing is still pending, that is the allocation of agricultural land. That is the most important point, because the government has given us 30 by 40 feet of the plot of land for the house construction. That is not enough for the survival. That is just only for housing. Because of that, according to the agreement, we demand the allocation of agricultural land immediately. That is mentioned in our agreement, point number 4.2 in the BRU agreement, New Delhi 2020. According to that, till today we submit memorandum to the up to Chief Minister, Home Minister, but till today we don't get any response. And in the joint monitoring meeting also, this allocation of agricultural land has been not mentioned. Because of that, we the 13 rural resettlement location, we come out here today from the 5 o'clock in the morning to block the highway. This is not to disturb the movement of the people, movement of the transportation, but just to highlight, just to show our problem to the state government as well as to the central government. Thank you.